automatically recorded?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, there we go. We're in. I'll put SL. Make it reasonable. Thought I'll sell on MNQ for a second. It shouldn't go below 52. So honestly, even if it was at 51, that would came all the way down to 47. Are you proud, Rams? It's only 2. Not 5. 2.
No, ace.
Yeah, Rams, that's right. That's green. 2 cons. What's up?
There's a long setup here at 50, but it's not open yet. But I'll be looking at that if we don't break down. I hope I don't miss it.
Yes.
How much?
100?
100? Agree with 1,500?
I haven't seen anything from Jordan saying he was out.
Right.
Yeah.
Am I agreeing 1,500?
No.
Oh. How green am I?
60? 90?
What do you think I'm gonna do with $90? You think I can pay the number with $90?
140?
Ah, fuck that bad.
Well, normally he's on Tuesdays, but
Only 17K more to go.
Back to 20? 10?
Oh my lord. Oh my days. Alright, I'm back.
alright.
Oh.
Then I'll be looking
Oh,
at
oh.
after 50.
Market open. Yeah, but it don't matter to me.
This might be too risky. Like and longs here. We can just
Watch
get
how a
back
real
to
G
50.
do this shit. Look at that, Rams. Look at that, Rams. I'm gonna show you real balls now. That's how real G. That's how real G trades.
I went ahead and took the long.
That's how real G trades, Rams. That's how real G trades, Rams. Nah, I ain't no bitch. 61.
Of course it comes down.
Yeah, oh. Yo, she's coming for me.
Stop
She's
that.
coming for me, Rams. It needs more than that.
I got
Oh
stuff
shit. Yo, what happened now? Hi. That was fun. Shout out Ecos. Virtual cam. Holy shit. That's a flushies. Can you guys hear me? No? Maybe. Testing. You guys hear me? You guys can't hear me. You guys hear me? Yeah, but you can't hear me. Join stage. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh yeah, now you can hear me. Jeez Louise, I was talking to myself for a second. How are you guys doing? Nice little flush this open. I hope no one was in that long.
I got stuffed out before that.
Yeah, I did too for a DLO.
Oh, yeah.
It was on an eval. It's chill. It's chill.
That TP hit on that short draw that I had. That's crazy.
What a dumb skis.
Yeah, what's up, Jordan?
Jordan's in here. He just tried to slide in here, eh? So late, this guy. Holy, fashionably late.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear your late ass.
My fault.
Yeah, you're right. It is your fault. Gosh, this guy, am I right, guys? Holy.
The nerve.
The nerve on this guy. Holy smokes.
Technical difficulties.
I bet it was, huh? I bet it was.
What a dumpskis.
How you been, Jordan? How was your Monday? I know you don't trade Mondays. Did you have a good Monday?
It was cool. Very productive Monday, brother.
Yeah, what'd you do? Tell me all about it. I want to hear literally every single detail of your life.
I walked 24 miles. Then I ate
Did you just say you ran 24 miles?
Yeah, I ate 6 breakfast sandwiches.
Are you good? Why are you running that much?
I'm being funny. Nah, I've been traveling. I had a very peaceful, workful Sunday. Or Monday, excuse me. What did I do yesterday? I worked, got some more work done. Went to the gym, planned some content out. I taught Monday night, last night at 8.
Wow. More willing to teach me, huh?
Hey man, you know.
Yeah. That's what I feel for.
Where's my levels for this session? Ooh. It's a juicy range. I still have until 600. There's still 65 points before I can say, hey, we're going to continue lower. Other than that, I see lots of potential bounces. Reclaim was 732. We got longs. This is a nice long area here too, but so much room still. That's 72 points until that 600 that I just mentioned. Shit. You guys feel me? This is messed up.
Yeah, I am.
Sure, it's if we can get the news.
I got nothing after that open.
Yep. What are you giggling about over there? You're so adorable, Jordan.
Nice long trunk. Got this bear pit extension. I guess maybe we can get a continuation down and see if I can take this. I'd like to see 708 first.
Rams, did you see what their day 4 was?
Did they really see it?
I have no clue. What's
I
that?
don't think so.
Yeah. Advanced. I don't care for advanced. I'm not even gonna push that promo out. You care for advanced?
No.
Intraday drawdown? My headset just now.
I took this short at 702. It's gonna stop at 717.
Yo, Rams.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But you can reset. You just can't.
Those are 150. I'm waiting for the rebuild to hit. You feel me, dog? You feel me?
Take a little profit here at 87. Man, we found stuff.
Okay. I'm gonna head along here, guys. At 7:05:50. Long here at 7:05:50. Small accounts as well.
I'm out of this short.
Nice little 10 skis right there. I want more. Trying to target these London lows, which sit right around 730. There we go. Nice little 15. Trimming here, guys. Actually, I'm just going to trail hard. Nice pop, guys. 24, 25. Absolute gorgeous. There's my PT of 730 from here. Trying to target 736. Absolute beauty. Absolute fucking beauty. Closed on the small account. Full close. Only one con. Oh, Kels, we saw those. Don't worry. We saw them too.
I like New York right now. I have to like get reset up. Forgot how crazy it's not trading on the desk.
Is that why your camera's not on? Jordan's sensitive today, guys. Sheesh. Little prissy princess, huh? Holy. That was funny. Just like that, guys. Just like that.
Isn't that the Sex in the City slogan?
You guys like my calendar or what? Tell me it's not sexy.
2 trades. What a monster.
Tell me it's not sexy. Come on.
Good introduction. Yeah.
It's like someone called out that level. Insane. What a drop. Beautiful grab, guys. Trump. Not even a 5-day win streak. Loser. L. Trump, the small account challenge has not lost yet, and that's day 5. So take that, loser.
Damn.
Loser, loser, ha 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 ha. Get your money up, not your funny up.
All right, guys, I'm eyeing NQ cells here. We're looking to good. All right, I'm in NQ cells. Let's see. Looking to target 630.
Surprise, Jordan. I thought you were a pattern trader with these equal lows.
Yeah, I want to see if we kind of get a little bit of a breakdown. I have my stop set at 701.
Ooh, there you go. Break that low. Get it, my boy Jordan. Get it. That's my homie.
30.
That's my dog. You're filthy.
Oh my gosh, trade all this. Can't even know how to underground.
Oh no, don't reclaim. Print through from my boy Jordan. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trying, Jordan. You're sitting in ADR. That's the only reason why I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm pretty scared. What?
I don't trust ADR, bro.
You guys can't see my screen.
Yeah,
You can.
And
You
I-
can't.
we can. We can't see her face, which is the only thing I see your screen for. So I'm turning off your screen now.
Oh, so yeah, I'm at home, guys. So I apologize.
Hey, you should. I cried.
I can't see his face. How do you see his face?
Wow, Red Flush here stops at break even.
No, I was saying Adidas. That's all I look at his chart for is his face, and his face isn't showing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me too. I literally
Yeah.
just have his face up. Normal. Fuck your chart. I just want that body.
Almost time at a break even. I moved my stops break even and got to 20 points here. Come on. Okay, I'm looking target 630.
Nice, Jordan. Good print through. I have ADR low sitting right at 633, which also gives us 2.36 fib extension off of the 15 OB. Or OR, sorry.
Just give me his last breakdown. Stop at a break even.
Two little levels aligning there.
See what happens here. Looking for a little more weakness.
Can you feel the love tonight?
You guys can't see it. Right?
Cleo, if you step on my button again, I will get very mad. Can you not do that? Perhaps if you press the button by mistake, I will laugh. That'll actually be so funny. Okay, that's enough. Let's go to your mother.
I mean, that's just the way of life, you know?
I stopped at a break even here, did I? Let's see.
The way of life. Nice trade, Jordan. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even looking short. That's why
He took the long.
you're the master. No, I did. I'm not taking anything right now. This is crazy. I don't have any confluences right now.
Bro, I can't even work this mouse. Oh my gosh.
If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer
come on.
this my way,
Target 630 here.
devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done.
15 more points.
Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun.
Cleo walks. Is your stream left open?
Oh yeah. Can you feel the love tonight?
I'm taking a short here at 66. Stop is at 86.
What was it again? It's not plugging in.
Alright, put that 86. Flushing. Flush, flush, flush. There we go.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm
You
flushing
actually
these
screen now.
but I want to flush below this 50 here.
If you give me 630, get violent.
You still in that short, Jordan?
No, I shot that break. Alright, 22. I got one trim on. I'm like trying to like set up
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
camera for everybody so they can see. But y'all should be able to see my screen now. I'm not sure. If y'all can.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, I was able to see it.
Reclaim over 680. I'm going long. Small accounts as well. Lots of notice for y'all.
If I stop to 84.
Here we go.
I'm out of my short.
There's already 10 right out the rip. I know you guys like that. I know you guys like that. Don't lie to me. 15 right out the rip. Come on. They don't play with Ace's levels. Holy smokes. Wow. Don't jip me now. It's 4 points away from my trim. That's kind of whack, if you ask me. I'll take here. Little piece at 15. Target 35. There we go. And gorgeous. Okay, I'm being greedy for a tick. That's good enough for me.
I know I want to watch this thing. I'm guys got your log. We're gonna do a little high game today, watch.
Yeah, that's still long. Man, I'm still looking for
I mean, structure says short. My levels are saying long. This is what I don't like. So I'll probably off soon, especially after making profits. Still holding this long too.
Keep it jacking here to these 50s. Golden pocket.
Still holding through. Still plus 10 right now. Came to test my entry. And that's also our ADR low, or ADR low upper range. Also, free webinar, guys, on Wednesday. Make sure to join me, 7:30. I will be teaching path to payouts, easiest path to payouts. So if you have not gotten a payout, guess what you should be doing on your Wednesday night? Making sure your ass is inside of that class. Here's plus 15 still. I'm just going to close that on the small account. Giving us plus 40 for the day, guys, on the small account in total.
Is that class being recorded?
You know it, baby. You know it. Who's on my Twitch right now? If you guys can guess how much is in my hands, I'll give you guys a free account. If you guys can guess how much is in my hands, I'll give you guys a free account.
You're frozen.
Oh, I'm frozen. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my chart now. I keep freezing.
Okay, let's... Okay,
Rip it. All right, everyone head over to my stream for 2 seconds. Make sure to follow. How much is in my hand? If you guys can guess how much is in my hand, I will literally give you an account right now. We got 10K. No. Too broke for 10K. What the hell? You think I can get 10K? What the heck is wrong with this guy? It's also Monopoly money, aka Canadian money. 2.5, no. 4, no. 4.8, no. 3.4, no. I believe in you guys. Here, this is what it looks like from the side.
yeah, there you
500.
go. Very close.
Very, very close. Two, 6.4, 1.2, 800, 500. Pretty sure there's more than 10 in there. 2.7. The 50 cents is crazy, cowboy. The 50 cents is crazy work. Yeah, we are on cam.
I might have made your matcha a little too sweet.
Oh.
It's really good though.
Thank you.
Like it's not like the coffee make creamer where it tastes like bum when you add too much. It's
Mhm.
the sugar creamer. Tastes good.
Oh, that tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, look, they see you waving. Okay. Ciao.
Bye.
Oh man, I feel like this still wants to get weak here.
69.69. You're probably the closest, CR. 15K. Show us American money. Too poor. What the fuck? David said 5K. You're very close too.
Yeah, it's just me. This is Jordan. Yeah, did you see our group chat?
Wow. I wish I was a part of that group chat, Jordan. Wow, this guy muted. So rude, eh? This guy's so rude. First, I'm not in the group chat. Now I'm not in the call. What the heck is this like?
Where do you need though? You haven't said what product you want? Like, how many
Hey, he unmuted for us. He unmuted for us. That's a W. I love this life.
Okay, that's fine.
Look at Jordan making business moves, guys. You didn't give me my product. I'm not doing no product placement for you. You better send me 6 figures right now. I don't know where that accent came out of. That is definitely not how he speaks.
Okay.
Like opposite.
Yeah, for real.
One watermelon and one strawberry apricot.
Yeah, you want that watermelon, my boy? Sheesh, all them seeds in your mouth.
No, I want me today. Once you get approved in our system, it'll be the next day. So I think it takes about 24 hours. So I'll let you know once you get approved. So we just got you.
Yeah, it usually takes around 24 hours after implantation from that watermelon seed, baby.
Yeah, I'll keep it usually takes about 24 hours. So as soon as it gets approved, I'll let you know, and then we'll be able to drop it off. We'll do. Okay.
Did I really take a long for 15? I really took a long for 15 points. I thought I was going to get the breakthrough, to be fair. 15 was the low end target.
Yeah, I'm so technology challenged. I can't even beat myself on my niece on this stupid ass.
No, I liked it. I wanted to hear it.
Yeah, I like hearing talking business.
Yeah, for real. Oh, people are still guessing. 4.6, 6, 8888, 115, 3900, 7001. You guys are close. Should I just give it to the person who's the closest?
I can guess the exact.
Can I phone a friend? You can phone a friend. Rams. That's funny. There we fucking go. Guys, there's that final breakthrough that we were waiting for. 27 points. Absolute banga. Absolute banga. Absolute banga. 35. And there's that target. Equal structure right here. We have that wick that goes all the way to 731 once again. So just like that previous long that we took. With 38 points right now. Target is 50 clean, but trail that SL all the way through. Yeah, S-Ray, you like that, my boy? You like that, my boy? There's 40. Dynamic Arse has 10 points. Keep it a 1-to-1. Literally, don't risk 10 points for 10 points. So, or don't risk 20 or 40 or 30 for 10 points. 2 more points until stop out. Doing the Jordan method, 21 trades. S-Ray, what the fuck? You're broken, my dude. That is not the Jordan method. Yo, don't kill me. That's hilarious. No, I'm proud of you, though. Yo, Trump, that's a banger. I'm saving that gif. Do you see it, Rams? Look at this gif right here. What an absolute banger. Bangarang. Okay, I am locked out, so that might be it for me. That might just be it for me. One more play. Come on. Well, the small account is 1,000% locked up. I got that stuck in your head, huh?
Yeah.
Can
watched it.
you feel the love tonight?
I think I watched it like last week as well, so it's
Oh, really? So not it's super fresh.
yeah.
That's hilarious.
I know
Sorry.
you look. Bro. I know you are. I could sense it in you.
Say that again.
I said I know you're looking in this short draw. I can sense it. I can sense it in you. I know you're looking at it.
It's a rough spot because we beat VWAP, and then I don't. There's a lot of levels up there, but I don't see anything. Honestly. I mean, the short draw. I guess as long as we stay below VWAP. Yeah, I would. I would be short. 24, 25 is where I would want to be, and then your stop would be above 40. So yeah, it's pretty much right on the money, Trump.
Also, that trail is out now, so I'm off that trade. A re-entry for me would be 738 if I wanted to continue along. But in terms of a hold, not worth it.
Alright, I'm short 27 here. Stop is going to be 42. It's a riskier than I like. But at the short draw, got plenty of levels. Looking for a flush down to about 707. There we go. 10 points almost. Come on, keep going. Short 27, stop 42.
Look how insane this is, Rams.
Yeah, no, that's insane.
75% win rate. Biggest loss 4,000. Biggest win 1,000. Average loss 350. Average win 550. Oh, I didn't fix that. Average win loss. Oopsie.
profit that you make. So the first day you make $2,000, the next day you can't make over 1,000.
Ace, please tell me you caught that. Boy, I caught everything other than that initial drop. To be honest, I didn't catch any of the drops. There was 2 drops. I didn't catch either of them. I caught the 2 longs off of ADR. I don't like shorts when there's so many stacked levels underneath. It just gives it so much reason for absolute ripster.
No, Friday we violated the shorts.
Hey, yo, violate? What happened?
Guys, I'm turning right here at 12. And I'm gonna stop scripting. Or I think 13 is what pretty fast is.
You answered Trader Joe's, right, Adidas? That's what it...
Yeah.
Yeah. He's correct anyway. Trader Joe, you're correct. That's all you need to know, okay? Thanks, boys. No, thank you. Thank you. Let me grab that. Again, if you guys want to join that webinar, you guys can register with that link right above my channel where it says register here for my webinar. Just click on that. And here, I can even put the link in this chat. Let me do that too.
I got close to 20. It took off 1 more, and I'll have 2 trailing at break even now. That's it.
Great trade, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Come again next time.
My final target would be 660 on this, so I'll be looking for like 80-ish points. So I got stopped at break even.
Undressed like shorts. Interesting. It's a fat range, and we've been playing inside of my levels, which I absolutely love. So like right above where we have that 736 that I was talking about, for the next 20 points, we have all our POCs, which we have not reclaimed. We have our previous day value area low, our previous week value area low, and our current week value area low. So all of those are currently stacked. If we can reclaim it, then gorgeous, then that puts us back into our deviation. But otherwise, we're going to chill here inside of our ADR into those VALs, which is exactly what we've been doing. And that's just volumetrics 101. Boom. I like how I was talking about my chart. Completely forgot that I wasn't even sharing chart anymore, but I am still on stream. Oopsie. Sorry, Discord. Hey, if anyone wants a cheat code for the webinar, by the way, the way to enter into the giveaway is by subbing to my YouTube. So make sure to do that, because I'm going to be dropping a load of content on that. really, really soon. I know I've been saying that, but we actually have a stock load of videos now.
These are still in your short?
Yeah, still in. Going down. I'm waiting for 660, but I'm trailing down.
Banger.
Thank you. We just trailed this back.
Is it DCMA?
Yeah,
Nice.
at least that's what Spotify. Playlist.
There was one song that was on my DCMA playlist that I used to play that would always get flagged, and you're only allowed 4 strikes.
Oh,
I went to like 3. I'm like, shit.
so fun. We had no issues there.
Yeah, none. Tomorrow we have FOMC meeting minutes, by the way, guys. On Thursday, we have unemployment claims, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, the Flash Manufacturing PMI, Flash Services PMI, existing home sales, Jackson Hole. We got a shitload coming up. And then we have Powell on Friday. And again, Jackson Hole, day 2.
I got one more trailing left on this.
Good trade, brother. You killed that.
Started out a little rough.
Jordan, you take any trades today? Oh yeah, you took your short. Yeah.
Yes, sir, ski. Coming up.
Yeah,
to
sorry.
a decent week last week. Last week I posted in the chat. What did I do? Where is it? Yeah, last week I took a total of 5 trades, but I made $183. The week before I took a total of 8 trades. I made $489. So I just been
Riding away.
particular. Today I took a 1 trade.
Let me take you for a ride. Dancing with the lights.
So,
Hearts beating like a drum.
2 trades and done, locked out. Appreciate y'all. Let's go, David. Good shit. Do you guys like this or no? The little small account we're running in the mastermind.
Just hit 712 and be all out on this short.
Mike, you've been printing nonstop, brother.
Yeah. I
Jeez
think Mike is
Louise.
good stuff, man.
I see Mike every single day just posting profits. Like, what is going on, Mike? If you guys have any show gains, make sure to put in show gains. Make sure to tag all three of us. Show us some love. All the other VCs have been getting love other than us, and we know that you guys have been printing. We have the numbers inside of here. So obviously you guys aren't staying with us to lose money. I withdrew my first 1K. Let's go, CRW. Yeah, you guys have been killing it lately. I think every single time it's all three of us, we still have not had a losing day since we started this. I said that last week. I said it the week before. I'm saying it this week. We have not lost yet, guys. We are on a hot streak with all three of us.
Keep going.
Yeah.
See this? Free. I mean, it's not out yet. But maybe it's like one.
I feel like that's a troll. I lost eval 3500. Tablet crashed on initial drop when I was long. I'm pretty upset right now. Not sure which way to turn. Took me 26 days to make that amount. Lost it in 5 minutes. I'm really sorry to hear that, Fusca. That is super frustrating.
Yeah, I think it happens to everyone, right? Something
Yeah.
like trading stuff.
Hey, at least it's an eval. Like, let's think in retrospect, right? Like, at least it's an eval number one, right? So it's not like those were real profits. I understand, like, it's the process to get to a funded account. Number two, it's like someone's always having a worse day. Like, your was an eval, someone else was unfunded, and they probably blew their funded. I was talking about it last week when Project X froze. I lost 8 accounts, 5 on Top Step, 3 on Top One, and I was literally like 1 day away from payouts on every single one of them. And there was nothing I could do, and all I was offered was a reset. So if you want to hear something bad, I just absolutely wiped over 30K off of an error that wasn't my own. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not that bad, Fiska. It's still frustrating. Like, obviously everyone goes through their own shit, but at the end of the day, you're still living. You have your health, you have your life. That's all that matters. At the end of the day, it's the end of the day. King Caps. go jump off. I'm not gonna say off what. I'm not trying to get banned off Twitch. Jump off your chair. Okay.
No, it's frustrating. We've all been before. But that's why I would say, Fuska, if I pronounce your name right, if you're trading on like Project X, like definitely have like a DLL set.
Oh yeah, 100%. That's what even Tradeovate allows that too. You can set a personalized DLL. And fun little tip, that is actually like one of the things, like very, very, very small tidbits that we're doing on the webinar as well. Is like making sure that you set up your PDLL.
It's a game changer, because if anything like that happens, you won't have that happen to you ever again. So it's like a painful market tuition that you went through.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't say this story. I'm all about transparency. Here we go. So, you guys know how I was running 3 top 1 accounts, like the calendar I keep showing you guys, where it's on an absolute tear? That one day where it hit a red, right? That one day where it hit a red, my accounts, so I personally lock out all 3 accounts. But the only way to do that is you have to remove the copy trader, right? But if you resync up a copy trader once you're in a position, then it closes the position. So what I did was I traded on all 3 accounts, opened a position on all 3 accounts, and I left it. And one of them hit the PDLL, but the other 2 didn't have that, which I assume that they did. So the account that's still alive is the one with the PDLL, which is negative 1,000. All the other ones completely blown, which had a 6K buffer already. Like, I make mistakes too, but like, shit, that was a big fucking mistake. And that's on transparency. Holy shit, you're short. Adidas. Yeah, I'm like that. I'm nice like that.
It's just one one con. So not too bad.
I blew my wife's funded from negative 400 to negative 2,000 yesterday, scalping choppiness. Alfmir, you're not supposed to admit that in chat. At least don't say what prop it was, okay? You're not allowed to say that. You can't be trading on other people's accounts. That's hilarious, though. Plank keeps going down during prime time trading.
Oh my gosh. Push you up right now. It has been quietly holding the short.
I'm actually, I like keep trailing it down and it's not getting hit.
That's the best. Even when you're keeping it super tight, Adidas, and it's just not stopping.
Yeah. So I'm at 100 plus now, but
Love that. Do I buy a reset or give up? I still haven't watched Ace's MM yet. My MM is absolutely fuego. Like, I'm sorry, if you ask any of my students, most, I'll say, will agree that it's really, really good. It is really advanced. I will say that. Like, if you're looking for like a clear cut, like, oh, you enter off a break of orb and you wait 5 minutes and then that's your play. Like, no, you're not going to get that with my mastermind. Like, it's not a objective thing where it's like you are entering off of a break and period. No, we leave, like, the thing about charts is it's always adaptive, right? Like, we have our volumetrics, which is always moving. We have our DOMs and all of our orders. Our order flows are always changing. Therefore, why would we enter off of the same criteria at the exact same time always? Like, some sort of variable has to change, right? It's way more dynamic. MM1, yes. Like, obviously, you do want a trade plan to be objective as possible, right? You want to trade as algorithmically as possible, but at the same time, what can you physically see on your chart that is going to change every single time? It's going to be your volume and your levels, right? Your structure is going to change. I watch Adidas, Chef, and Aaron MM. Adidas, do you have an MM?
No, I just made the indicators.
I gotta talk to you about that because I want to see if I can automate some of my shit.
Yeah, I can automate pretty much anything.
Ace drops the knowledge all over your noggin. Yeah, I do have ADHD, so when you watch the recordings, Fuska, I apologize if I just go on tangents, like, out of nowhere, like how I am right now. But I love y'all. This is a nice drop. We are below our ADR now. Our previous week low sits all the way at 587, guys. So we have psych level at 600, which is 50% of our OR 15. And then right below that is our 618 and our previous week low, sitting at 23587. So if you guys are still in a trade and still in a short, those are the levels I'd be going off of. Currently at our 382, which anyone who trades fibs knows that that is your possible massive bounce.
Guys, I'm all out on this short. I got 100 points.
That's fucking gorgeous, Adidas. Let's go.
Nice. Hopefully, y'all help, but I know it's tough.
Reclaiming back inside ADR low. He says it's so casual. And I mean, that's how it should be. Like, that's how I appreciate Adidas. Like, we can't get hyped over the 100 points. Like, we do it for you guys in all honesty, and it makes for good content. But the more you can detach yourself from the trades, like 100 points is 100 points. And you just keep it casual. Hopefully you can catch more of those, and that'll be that. Mike, 1.5. Mike, lock out the accounts. We saw you at plus 900. Lock the accounts, my boy. Good trade. Devin, good thing about Ace is he answers questions honestly. Pumped for you, Fusca. Yeah. Fusca, I'm going to be honest with you. And like, this might be really bad advice to the 56 people still in this Discord or in this call. Personally, I think that was way too many days sitting inside of an eval. 26 days. What do you think, Adidas? Like, I am very aggressive with evals because at the end of the day, I want to make sure I get my money. And this is why I really, really recommend the instant fundeds, like the STFs. That way you're not wasting your time growing an eval to get paid. Like, I'm a pay-to-play kind of guy.
Yeah, so like on an eval, it seems like you have a strategy, right? You're following the strategy. You're doing what you need to do. You just up those cons because it's an eval. You want to be more aggressive.
Yeah.
So if you're just trading one NQ, or one MNQ, you trade like 6 MNQ.
That's exactly what I do. 150k eval. So it depends on your style of trading. King caps. I personally like the 150s because number one, they're bigger payouts, right? They do cost more, and the best R to R is your 50ks because you draw down 2k, but you only have to make 3k profit target. Whereas it's 2x for all the other accounts, like for the 100 and 150. For the 150, you get 4.5, but you have to make 9. So you have to make 2 times as much as your DLL.
Yeah, you gotta up the cons on that because reevaluate every week, right? If you're seeing that, you'll have to kind of see a pattern because a month in an eval is long. You kind of want to just, especially if you have a process in place, but you really need to have your stop set. You really have to have like I have the accounts like on my Tradeovate, I set those limits for like a max loss of like $3,500 or something, but I have a bigger account. I have like the 150k and some 250ks. So you got to have everything so that way if something does happen, you don't just get completely wiped.
Lady just said, how do you guys feel about take profit? I'm a huge fan of take profit personally. And I'm not just saying that because I'm affiliated with them and they're 40% off with code ACE and you get your account refunded once you get your first payout. But I mean, like, just joking. I do like take profit. Their daily withdrawals are absolutely gorgeous and they're very, very quick. Like anyone who's ever gotten a payout from take profit will tell you it is same day payout. No ifs, ands, or buts. What do you get refunded? You get refunded your payment of your eval on your first withdrawal. So if you paid like what? I don't even know how much the accounts are anymore. Like 300 for a 150 as an example. They will give it back. I was thinking the 25K account, I feel it's easier to achieve quick. It is, but the only thing that sucks, lady, and again, this is me being 100% transparent. Like I can easily say use code ACE and get the 25K account. The only thing that sucks about signing up with TPT with a 25K account is it turns into intraday drawdown once you pass. And then once you're past the buffer, right, then it turns into end of day. But on a 25K account, you do not have any wiggle room for error inside of that intraday drawdown because it's very, very small, especially on a 25K account. Yeah, that wiggle room is insanely tight. I've passed, I'm not joking with you guys, maybe, like I can probably pull it up right now. I actually want to see. The amount of 25K accounts I've passed. Okay, maybe it's not that many because I learned from my mistakes. I passed 3 of them, and none of them I was able to pass the intraday drawdown. Only on the 50Ks and higher I was able to do so. But at passing the 25K accounts, so easy. Like literally 2 days, and I'm done. So to pass the eval, insanely easy. To get past that intraday wiggle, it was so fucking hard. And that's on honesty. That's why I would recommend 50 or higher. But yeah, I don't know how long the take profit discount is going to run for, but it is 40% off right now. So if anyone is interested in trying to take profit, definitely make sure to do that now. And you also get your refund if you pass the account and get a payout. So they have their deals set for them right now, which is insane.
So, Fusuke, it depends on what you use. TopStep X has something that will automatically do it. On Tradevate, you can only do bracket orders, but you can't copy trade. But in Tradevate, there are risk settings that you do. So all of that is just kind of built into their systems.
Yeah, the UI, man, on Project X is insane.
Yeah,
I used to hate on them so much, and then they started to update their shit. Like my spread between accounts, Adidas, the slippage was insane. They completely fixed that now.
I haven't had any problems yet. It's been solid.
No, even in the past.
Oh, in the past, yeah.
Yeah, bro, I would be like plus 500 difference from all my accounts.
Yeah. Recently, because they once they forced that migration from Tradevate to TopStep X.
Yeah.
And before I was having issues, so I didn't even.
Yeah, me too. That's why I would always, like, every time I was on TopStep, it would only be through Trade-of-8.
Yeah.
Now, if it has the option for Project X, I'm clicking that. Plus, if you guys do use TradeSync, Project X is on there now, so absolute beauty. Can you help me understand bracket orders on Project X? Not able to follow. I don't even use the brackets. Do you use the brackets, Adidas? I just put a PDLL and a daily profit target.
Yeah. So for TopStep X, you just go to your risk settings, and then there's just the potential. There's literally 2 columns you fill, and then you check a box and you're done. And then every time you place a trade, it automatically does it. So you just set your profit and you set your loss, and then you put automatically like apply. I think is the option.
Yeah, liquidate and block as well.
Yeah. So, and it's 2 clicks and you're done. So those, like I use TopStep X when, okay, let's say, I have a trade that I want to take overnight, and I say, okay, if it hits this portion, I'll let it go and I'll have the stop. So I'll adjust, and I don't have to worry about it. I just click, and it'll set the profit and the stop loss for me.
I like that. Also, Project X is so user-friendly for mobile.
Yeah, it really is. It's really good.
So user-friendly. You know what? What I didn't know for the longest time, Adidas, that you can drag as well on your phone. I had to have my videographer, Rams, who's in here every single day, tell me how to do it.
Bro, I can never drag it. I don't know if
It's a triple tap. Triple tap.
Oh, really? Oh, shit.
Yeah. See? Oh, you didn't know either. Yeah, watch. You're going to do it now. You used to go on the orders, didn't you? And you click it. That's what I did.
Yeah, bro. It was annoying. Okay.
Yeah, so you don't have to do that. You can literally drag on there as well, just like how you can on desktop. Triple tap and then drag.
Okay, I want to try that.
Can you send your link to top one? Sure. I can do that.
Yeah, the desktop, just drag it.
I think top one is still 50% off with code ACE. And we did close off the first round of those giveaways. So the 5 of the accounts on Wednesday will be given to anyone who's bought an account. So 1 entry per account, 3 entries, or double the entries for every 3 or more. Adidas won 2 accounts before, guys. Like, I do not rig it. If you guys buy an account, I don't know what your actual real names are. I didn't know what Adidas' real name until Callan told me. Isn't that funny, Adidas? Callan literally said, he's like, wait, is that Adidas? I'm like, wait, I think it is, just because of, like, the last name.
Oh, man. It's funny because I was literally about to buy them, and then you had that. I was like, oh, shit, I'll just use your code.
Yeah, respect. And you got 2 evals out of it, too. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 nice little 50Ks.
Guys, look at that structure inside of my golden zone. Oh, I'm not even sharing screen. Oops. That was they gave me accounts because I must have been trading so good. No, for real, PL. That shit was hilarious. When Adidas said that, the way I almost pissed myself.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, what the fuck are these 50Ks? Yeah, let me fuck around with them.
I love that.
See, this guy, you just gotta trust your.
Yeah.
With you just have to have proper stops. You know? Everyone's gonna blow accounts.
Oh yeah, it's inevitable. People will blow, especially in the prop firm space. Like, they are designed, guys, for you guys to fail. That's how they make their money. Like, they're not naive, but we have to make sure that we're not naive to that too. It's just, how do you beat that? Did you get the STF Sim Pro? Yeah, I don't like the Sim Pros personally. I'm just not a fan of intraday. Like, if you like the intraday and your strategy allows for it, then sure. Personally, I'm not a fan of it. Never been a fan with it.
Yeah, I dislike them as well.
I personally think intraday is harder than options with all of the Greeks.
Yeah, it's really difficult.
That's my hot take for the day. That's a good hot take. I'm gonna say that hot take on Wednesday's webinar. Oh man. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, instant funded's the way to go. It's all about time, guys. You guys are paying for your time. Do you guys want to spend that time grinding out an eval to get paid, or would you guys rather just get paid right out the rip? That's my hot take again. I'm coming in hot with these hot takes. Locked out for the day. Let's go, Wolf. Wolf, you've been killing it lately too, man. I see you in here every single day killing it. The consistent ones. That's what I've noticed. Like, the people in here every single day, being patient, waiting for the trades. You guys are the ones getting your payments, and I love that. I DM'd you? Me or Adidas? I think he meant Adidas. I have not checked. Oh my goodness. 27 over 50. Holy shit. I have over 100 DMs I have not checked. I am so sorry, guys. I do not check this. No, you, Ace. I want to see. I'm going to add you as a friend. That way you just pop up right away. You responded. I don't see anything in our message chat. You're lying to me. I'm not lying. I don't. Hello. I just said hello in our chat. You know what's a hot take? My puts. Andres, I agree with you. You literally called that at the top. And same with Adidas. Both of you guys.
That would have been a crazy hold.
Oh, yeah. I mean, he's on option, so he can hold forever. That's the thing.
Yeah.
King Caps, 20 trades. What the fuck? Did you catch her the short, Rams?
What?
Did you get the short or not?
No. Kept right.
Just flapped it.
I used 2-year loans.
Mm-hmm.
I moved it fast. You know what? And listen to I entered 10 points higher. Oh my.
And then you know what sucked? Literally, both of those plays drew down, came back to BE, and then pushed.
I know, but
But you had already
I would've
entered.
been-
Yeah, yeah.
I would have been negative.
I know what you mean. Today's top story. Long time no see. Welcome into the chat. Nice to see you. I know you're used to seeing like 300 to 600 people in here, but guess what? We're currently sitting at 7 now. Isn't that insane?
What?
That my numbers on Twitch used to be like 300 to 600, and now it's at 7.
People are finding other ways to find it. It's not just them.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, we're all over the place now. Ooh, Rams, look. Literally, I'm gonna go through all of them after and do that.
Oh, you're all by yourself, right?
I think it's just Andres, and Andres is already up like 100%. Yeah, he had Thursday puts as well, not even 0 DTEs, and he's 100%. Nice, Andres. I took 0 options today. I was very like long biased for a little while, and then by the time the short did pull through, I was already done trading. Beautiful retracement back into. I'm going to share my screen for a second, guys, just so you guys can see how insane some of these levels were. Like, absolutely crazy. So, today, my longs, obviously, we established our orb, but I did take that first long off of 660. right? Which on, where was it? 660, right there. That was the start of this demand zone all the way through to the bottom right there. So I was waiting for a crack of that. Our CE, our ADR low, and our 1236 was that level to watch. So 633. And as soon as that cracked, that would have been room for my shorts. And she came for a retest off of that 382, flushed underneath. That would have been entry right there for that continuation of 50 points right now. But I was already finished. That would have been a good option, but when I'm done, I'm done.
Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones. That something here was bound to take me home.
You play order blocks, Adidas?
You said you don't know me well, but
Yeah, I do.
I'd love to dissect your strategy, because I feel like every single time there's a trade, on most times, me and you are on the same side.
I think that's mostly the fib line, but I
Yeah, that's fair.
I mean, here, I'll share my
On
screen.
YouTube, how much are you trading?
Someone on YouTube said what?
How much are you trading?
How much are you trading with? I'm trading on props. So
What accounts?
I trade on the 50K and 150Ks. I don't really do 100s anymore. I used to do 100s, but it's either a 50 or a 150 for me. It's either I'm gonna go for buffer or I'm going for very quick gains.
I can't share my screen for some reason.
Oh, here. Sorry, I took over. Share.
Oh yeah. Well, I'll just show you. I mean, I don't do anything complicated. I just use my indicator. Literally, it's a fib. I'll if there's a order block, breaker block, fair value gap, but I normally toggle those. Then I literally use just my levels. So once that aligns with a fib, I'll just take.
Oh, you use discount premium? Interesting. Do you have it auto for your Globex low, London high, and all of that?
Yeah. That's just my indicator. So all of that is right here. So this has the session.
Nice.
And then yeah, I play off that. Nothing.
Do you sell them, your indicators? Let me promo you
Yeah.
right now. Everyone go
Yeah.
buy his indicators.
I appreciate it. Yeah, they're yeah, StockNet's got, I think they call it perfect pulls. So there's
That's
a
sexy. That is sexy. You know what would be sexy, Adidas? If you just add my name to that list. And I can promo you.
I got you.
Ace dash watermelon. You know what it is? Ace hyphen watermelon. Yo, look how funny this is. My trading view. It's actually so funny. I haven't changed that in 5 years. It's been that literally for 5 years. I'm finna suck the watermelon straight out of your and I've just left it. Why does it say zero scripts? That's crazy. I have like 1,000 scripts that are made. Whatever. Or maybe they're not published public. That's why.
Yeah, once you publish them, they have those rules. They have like weird rules. about publishing.
Yeah. Reclaim 600. Oh yeah. Let's see.
There's videos out there, to learn how to, because it should limit your losses as well, and with the signals and stuff. So there's signals that you can also automate it. I have a video of that as well. So.
I gotta do this indicator, and me trading out on the field as a blue collar helps so much. My losses don't give justice to his indicator. So good. I love that. Andres, I'll sell you my indicator. LOL, I don't got one. Yeah, Andres, you still play shapes. no hate to pattern creators. Like, hey, at the end of the day, I personally don't give a shit what your strategy is to anyone in here. Because you could literally flip a coin and be a profitable trader as long as your risk and money management is there. So personally, I give zero shits. As long as you can make it work for you, that's what I care about.
Exactly. And that's why I try to put everything on here and show, because everyone can use anything differently, right? You don't have, no one trades the same. See, Ace and I trade differently, but our confluences align, right? So there's a ton of different ways.
Yeah, I think it's like on the very, very rare end where we're on opposite sides. And you know what I noticed, Adidas? If you're in a trade, my level of entry is usually your SL. So it's still aligning even though we might be on opposite sides.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Me and Jordan, completely different. Like, there's sometimes he'll enter into a trade, I'm like, I don't see it, and then he'll still print through. I'm like, shit.
Bro, Jordan, in my mind, I'm like, why is he taking this short?
Yeah, I always see that in my head, and it's funny because a lot of times he does print it. Like, I'm never in the trade. Like, for me, it's a no trade zone every time he gets into a trade. It's so funny.
Oh, yeah, it's the same thing for me, man. He's in there. I'm just quiet. I'm like, good luck. Like,
this morning, you guys were flipped on the long and short rare. Yeah, but like I said, like, his SL was my entry criteria. He still got his short. My level for short was already 50 points below where his entry was. So Adidas printed with that. King of reversals for real.
yeah, solid start of the week.
Oh, yeah. You know what sucks though? Like, I like seeing the big numbers on my calendar. I'm only 4 days away and I only need like $1,000. So I'm going to be trading so small for the next few days. So it's going to make my calendar look freaking ugly as shit.
You got to secure those payouts.
Oh, yeah. At the end of the day, that's all I fucking care for. Just get the payout. So I don't care that the calendar is going to look like ass now, because all that's going to matter is getting that payout. It's just so nice to see like having 2K days and all that kind of shit. Even though in retrospect, doesn't matter at all, because it's not like it's Top Step where you know all of those monies can go in your pocket. Like, you're only pulling out 3.5K per account, even though it says that I've made freaking 12K. Marketing is so silly. Like, on Instagram, literally I put made 20K last week. Like, in technicality, I'm working toward a payout, which would only be 10.5. Ace, are you planning to do an options challenge account? Yeah, I'm just getting back into the groove of options again and like really trying to balance all of it all at once, but 1,000% that's the goal. Right here, guys, is a massive bounce point. We have our monthly anchored VWAP, so 19 days of information minus your weekends, obviously. And then you also have your second deviation, or technically your first deviation away from your OR15. That's sat right at 550. So 2 levels right here. I know that's a 20-point differential, but you could easily see a reclaim. A flush under here brings you all the way to 23.5 and 480, 470. Shit, there's a lot of levels down here. Also, Fusca, that is your level. I saw you say 530 in chat. So absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad you trusted your analysis and went into that short. Shout out to you. 500 green after reset. Of course, Fusca. Fusca, I'm so proud, bro. Alpha Mir, I thought you were done. You were green. You gotta lock out, especially on Project X. Negative 800. Oh, you were already down? I thought you were green for the day, Alpha Mir, to start.
Oh, he was 800.
Oh, there. Yeah. But yeah, Trump, to answer your question, as soon as I'm back into the groove with options like fully, I will be doing a challenge. Probably, maybe after this futures one. This futures one, honestly, has been so fun because we're doing it so small. Like, what you guys are doing on your evals is what we're doing on our fundeds, which is how it should be. So we're only taking one mini on a 150 and just slapping away and compounding. Like, we made $1,000 one day, $200, $600, $4, and then $800 today. So a total of $2,604 in 5 days. So there's still $6,400 to go until payout. But if you're on TS on that funded account, hey, you're a lot closer. Top Step is giving 25% off with Dash 25. I already used all of those. I'm not even going to lie. I opened up new 150Ks and actually blew them. Oh no, they got blown from Project X failing. For options, you're still using IBKR, right? No. Quest Trade, Trump. I was using IBKR until Quest Trade released their new prices.
Alright,
Why?
guys, I'm out. Sorry to interrupt. I gotta get.
No, you're so good.
Love you
Guys, I called that bounce. I said I was going to float from this anchored view up all the way back to 550. Here's 550. If we get that reclaim, we should be seeing a test of basically 590 to 600 again. On the low end, 62. So 20 points. If it reclaims that 550. Andres knows the levels. As soon as Adidas leaves, he requested. I love that. I love that, Andres. You know.
Hey, I gotta respect the man, you know.
Why did you change from IBKR to Quest Trade? So I initially was on Quest Trade. My long-term portfolio is on Quest Trade as well. So it's really easy to open up brand new accounts and use margin from other accounts inside of your day trading. So you can leverage your TFSA and your RRSPs inside of Quest Trade. This is for your Canadians, by the way. I don't know if there's a lot of Canadians still in here other than Trump and me. But yeah, it's super easy to leverage your other accounts for your trading. So say even if my trading account was at $0, but I had 200K inside of my TFSA and RRSPs, you can still leverage that from your margin account. So you can just divvy up your balances. Oh, okay, so way better than, yeah. And the thing is, like, IBKR, they keep saying that they were going to come out with a new dash. They never did. You just have to make sure to get level 2 when you sign up for Quest Trade. That way, like, everything is dirt cheap. And it's all rebatable too. So I think initially you get charged. I don't even know how much I get charged anymore. How do you get level 2? It's like on the side. It's like, would you like to pay for extra data? You can just say yes. And then it's rebatable. So they refund you at the end of the month once you meet like $50 in commissions, which is nothing, like 50 contracts.
Yo, Ace, wanna go long here?
Do I want to go long here? A long here is pretty good. Here, maybe I can take an option with you. I'm not going to take a 0 DTE though. I'll take a 1 day.
Yeah, same. Let me take a look.
I'm just, the structure brings us to 630, which is only 13 points. Do you want to wait a little longer, or are you pulling that trigger?
Let me see.
What are you thinking? 573s for next day, or are you going 75s? I know you're risky.
Oh, 75. Yeah, 75. So I think I could go back all the way to 577.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait though for it to actually hold 550 on NQ because she's teasing it. If we go all the way back to our monthly anchored VWAP, I'll do a full entry all the way down at 527. I know I'm using Qs or trading Qs and marking out MNQ, but it's all the fucking same. Very, very similar.
Yeah. It's crazy how fucking SPY is so delayed today, though. Oh, it finally done. I didn't see.
Yeah, it took a while, but it's because of banks. Banks have been holding up. We didn't get that retrace I wanted. But if we reclaim over 550 here, I will smack that entry. A good entry would be 63 to 72 if you're being extra conservative. I'm trading an option, so it's also a 1DT.
What entry looking at?
So I'm on the MNQ chart, so NQ chart basically, and
Oh, okay.
an entry above 63 brings us back inside of that previous 1 minute structure. Even less. 69 on a 3 minute. 74.
That's,
Basically
that's
73.
That's price only 150 basically.
Yeah. So 0820 are the cons, 575 Cs. I'm gonna pull that trigger, Andres. I should be a little bit more patient, but I'm pulling it.
Yeah, you know, if it close under 570, it'll be a 570. It'll be a cut for me. No,
Let me look. It's funny because I have my QQQ chart and I just haven't been using it because it's not marked out.
That's a whole ass dollar though for one day. It's like a 35% drop.
Still has my fibs. I'm gonna draw a short-term fib as well.
Let me get in, bro. I'm gonna be at 65.
That bounce off of 570, 57. Wow, that aligned with my fib really well on the reverse side.
Damn, my shirt went down that bad. The flip?
Wow, to the T.
And I
Did you say we fin up right?
yeah.
Yeah, that's accurate. Let's hop on the 3 minute. And my target would be 573 right now. Wow.
Yes, what's good? It's a risky one.
Man, we can hold until tomorrow.
Yeah, and we can either be tomorrow down 50%. You know.
Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, it's a risky one because we're getting in before full confirmation.
Yeah.
I'm playing in between levels right now.
We're pretty much hoping for the reversal.
Full like confirmation, like I said, I want to see it at least reclaim 73, and then your SL could be 20 points from there. But There you go. Here is our current draw up. A long right here.
That's my initial entry.
What's your entry?
5. What's yours?
5.5?
65.
Oh,
65.
bro, I thought you said 0.5. I almost freaked out. I'm like, there's no shot. You little front running
Oh.
motherfucker.
There's no way I got 0.5, bro. What the fuck?
I was gonna say, I'm like, yo, did it even touch 0.5 today? Anyways, guys, in on futures right here, 5:30.
Ooh, back to entry.
Should touch 550 again for 20 points. Currently up 10. Nice wick through that. And I am looking for 42 to start. And then from there, 57. I even alerted it in the futures channel. I have more conviction because I was waiting for that retest of our anchored. So once we got that, there was entry. There it is already, 20 points.
20 points on futures.
Yeah,
Damn, I'm barely up.
we're up 2 cents. We're up 2 cents on the option. There's 23, 25. Gorgeous.
There we go. We're moving.
Yeah, first trim looking at like 42, but you guys can start to move that SL already. Gorgeous trade here, 30 points and just going away now. 30 points, pushing. Absolutely stunning. 35 points. Still going. There we go. If anyone stayed in, got the extra trade. Jeez Louise, make sure to put in show gains. Ace is automatic. Boy, you know how I do. You know how I do. Yeah, for real. There's 74 on the cons as well on a 1 DTE. So obviously, we didn't really try to take that risk. But hey, money's money at the end of the day, and we get that.
You see, Ace, my shit works, bro.
It does work. I have no doubt about it.
Nah, it's that I
I mean,
have
there's a
everything-
reason I reached out to you.
There's well, I have everything like combined into one. So everything
Yeah.
is pretty much. That's something that makes sense to me. Probably not to anyone, but to me it makes sense.
Are you mad at me? I took a trim already. I'm just trying to risk off.
No.
I'm already done trading.
Nah, I'm with you, bro.
Yeah.
But
75 on the cons, man. Easy money. Just to make sure it's cash individual account, right? Or margin for options for Quest Trade 1. I use the margin.
what?
He's talking about a brokerage in Canada. New eval at 50%. Let's go, Alphamir. Alphamir, please be careful. You absolute beauty. Which prop firm is that, Alphamir? Are you on TS?
Looks a top style.
Yeah. Oh, well, it's Project X. So anyone that uses Project X now, it looks the same. Like top one looks exactly the same. What a fucking trade, guys.
Beautiful.
Literally so gorgeous. Holy shit.
You know what's crazy, Ace?
What's up?
I didn't get this trade over there.
Hey, just for us. I love that.
They had enough, first of all. So
Yeah, for real. There's 42, and there's first PT, guys. Gorgeous. Absolutely
oh,
gorgeous.
that's fucking beautiful. We fucking sniped that, bro.
Oh, yeah, we killed that.
Now I need to just reclaim that level on Qs, and bro, this shit's just gonna go.
Second PT goes all the way to 56 to 62 points. Is here. I'll give you guys the levels because I'm gonna head out now. 87 to 600.
I'm gonna trim here. I'm gonna just leave one.
I'm down for that. What'd you get? 75?
76.
You better. You know what's funny? Even at the peak, it was still at 75. I was waiting for a little bit more of a push because my first trim was at 75. So I don't want to trim again, but I'm just going to say taking out most. Actually, I'm not even going to say that. I'm just going to say SLBE. Fuck it.
Be it.
Oh, there you go. 77.
Now.
Yeah.
Damn, fucking Astro and Royal ignoring me today.
How do you run 45 cons this confidently?
You pray.
He could be on micros. So that would be
that's
what?
Micros.
4.5, yeah. That's still 4.5 cons.
Yeah, but that's like running options pretty much. Never mind. Yeah, it's debatable.
I want to see if we get this push through right here. On a 1 minute, we did close above. And if we don't, then good trims regardless. For the eval, Ace, you alerted, have confluence, that will make big. I like that. Hey, I do take losses too, though, so still size appropriately. But I do like that. If you're basing it, so basically what Alphamir is kind of saying is like the more confidence you have in a trade, then the higher positioning that you guys can have. The only thing that you don't want is overconfidence. Like you have to leave room for error, right?
Yeah, overconfidence on a chop day.
Oh yeah, you get fucked. 42
Not
points, and there's
forget
that
about
fib
it.
guy sitting at 73. So this is where I said the trade gets really good. Is right at this level here. The cons are still sitting at 77, so I'm not taking another trim up until it hits 590, and that would be on the actual Qs 572.30. So another 50 cents. Other than that, I hope you guys had a good trading day. Absolute bangers, went 100 for 100. Haven't taken a loss today. And I hope that I see you guys tomorrow for trading and then for the webinar. Make sure to sign up for free. And if you guys buy any props, make sure to use code ACE to give you guys the best discounts possible in the market. I love y'all. Peace. Have a good one. Later, Andres. Text me or shoot me DMs. Absolute bangers. Later, brother.
Later.